Namaste yogis, I'm Samarthya from BotSpheres. Thank you so much for stopping by our YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing a strong vinyasa flow. It will a slow paced yoga flow for strength. So we'll be moving our body from one pose to another, and you just have to take it easy like all the sessions that we have been uploading on YouTube. And we really hope that you all enjoyed the 7 days long yoga journey. So today we'll be doing a yoga flow for strength, but it's going to be slow. So just take it easy. We'll be holding for 5 seconds, maybe for 10 seconds, but you have to do as much as your body allows you to do. So let's get started. So today we'll be doing the wrist stretches first, because a lot of wrist movement is involved, and we have to just make sure that our wrists are mobile, flexible, and they have good strength to actually hold our body. So let's all come in the tabletop position. Your wrists are right below your shoulders, knees right below your pelvic region. So let's first reverse our wrist. Let's quickly sit on our heels. You may relax your hips on the heels and keep your elbows straight. Stay over here for another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the same position, let's go back and forth for 5 seconds. Keep moving your body for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's hold our body in the same pose for a while for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently lift your body up, and you may reverse your palms. So it's always better to stretch the wrist, since we all are spending a lot of time on a cell phone, on a laptop. And you may relax your hips on the heels. So there's a possibility that the lower part of the palms get lifted up. It is completely okay, because right now we are working on the wrist and the forearms. And let's hold for a while for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go back and forth in the same position for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you are back to the center. And in the same position, just start moving your arms and the shoulders. Keep moving your arms and the shoulders. It's always good to lubricate the joints. And this is one of the best ways to work on your shoulders. So without moving the palms for 10 seconds, keep moving for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here itself, let's take our legs back to come in the palm plank. So we are directly going to the palm plank, and just make sure that your shoulders are stacked right above your wrist and your body is in one flat plane. Your toes are on the floor. For 10 seconds, let's stay over here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here itself, let's go back into the mountain. So we are in the mountain, and just push the spine in. For a few seconds, stay over here. You can adjust your feet as per your height. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Feel the stretch around your hamstrings, around your calf muscles, and keep pushing the spine in. 4, 3, 2, 1. From the mountain itself, gently tilt your body on the right side, tilt your feet on the right side, so your upper body is still facing down, but it's just that you have tilted your feet. And stay over here for another 10 seconds. You will start feeling the stretch on the right side for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center and let's start paddling our feet just a bit, just to stretch our hamstrings and the calf muscles a bit more. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently pivot and let's twist towards the left side and hold, keeping your knees straight for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's come back to the center, and from here itself, gently make a spinal wave, vertebra by vertebra, to come in the upward facing dog. And you may relax your back toes on the floor, your wrists are right below your shoulders, and you're keeping your gaze up, 45 degrees up, for 10 seconds. Hold in the upward facing dog. Make sure that your thighs are not touching the floor for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck in your chin towards your collarbone and lift your body up to go back into the mountain. For another 5 seconds, we will stay in the mountain. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you inhale, bring your right foot between the palms and stay over here for another 10 seconds. Keep your back knee straight, toes on the floor, and the front knee in line with the heel for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten up the front knee and place your back foot on the floor as you rest your forehead on the front knee and stay over there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You will start feeling the beautiful stretch in your hamstrings. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, let's bend our front knee and let's start going back and forth to make it a little more dynamic. For 10 seconds, back and forth. For 10, 9, 8, 7, back knee straight, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here itself, as you exhale, take your right leg back, adjust your feet as per your height, and hold for another 5 seconds. So we are back in our anchor just to transition. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you inhale, bring your left foot between the palms. If you feel like taking your toes a little more back, you can do that. And stay over here for 10, 9, 8. Keep smiling. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your back foot on the floor and straighten up the front knee to go down on the front knee. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come back to the previous pose and hold for a while. And let's start going back and forth for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here itself, place your right foot next to the left foot and gently go down. So from here itself, let's gently grab our hamstrings and let's keep our gaze in front of us for 5 seconds. Hold in the halfway lift for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your gaze towards the floor. Let's join our palms together and you may gently lift your right leg up. For 10 seconds, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bring your right foot next to the left foot and you may take your left leg up and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your palms next to your right foot and your left leg goes back to come in the equestrian pose, and let's look up. We will stay over here for another 10 seconds for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your back toes on the floor and now the right leg goes back in the mountain. We are back in the mountain only for 5 seconds this time. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your knees on the floor and the arms will come by your side to come in the child's pose. And you may simply place your forehead and just take some rest. Stay in the pose for a while. For another 10 seconds, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently come up and you may relax. So this was the flow, and I'm really happy that you could practice yoga with us on our YouTube channel. And I'm very glad to know that you took out the time to spend quality time with yourself on your mat. And apart from this, if you want to become a certified yoga teacher from your home itself, we are conducting 200 hours online yoga teachers training program. In fact, this particular program, it is one of the best programs out there, and it is starting from January 14, 2021 onwards. And the entire information, it is given in the link which is mentioned in the section below, right below our video. And we will be very happy if you can join that program. And if you want to become a certified yoga teacher, that is one of the best ways. And apart from this, we thank you from the bottom of our heart that you are taking out the time to come onto our YouTube channel to practice yoga. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like this particular video. If you want to share it with your friends, with your family, with anyone in your community, we'll be very grateful, and we should definitely practice yoga as a family. So that's what we believe in. So I would wish you the best for the future, for the entire day, and just take care and keep smiling. Namaste everyone.